You are at the right place if you want to write amazing, effective, expert level immigration evaluations. Now, I am a licensed professional counselor. I've been working in the area of immigration evaluations, writing the evaluations, working with patients who have struggled with U visas, VAWAs, different type of cases that we're going to really dive into throughout this course. Now, this is the introductory video where I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about the other trainer, Alexander Eiffe, who is he's an attorney. He's an attorney that works in immigration cases, a colleague of mine, and we've known each other for a really long time, and we've built this relationship. It's a professional relationship, but it's also a relationship that allows us to come together and to provide this education, this course, where you licensed counselors, from psychologists, just clinicians who are really interested in learning how to write effective and strong, powerful immigration evaluations can have both sides. You can have that clinical side as far as what type of questions do you need to ask, what's the outline of the evaluation, how to understand certain cases, and then you can have that legal side, and that's where